let's begin. Type google.com and then look for the link 90 days report online immigration. Right after that, click. Alright, look for the link. Okay, so we found the link, and then right after that you can see this one, Immigration Bureau of Thailand, and then make sure you click on the bottom small square right there and accept. Click on the blue one, notification of staying, and then for the step 1 you just have to simply type your passport number. Okay, so this would be your first step. Right after the passport number, you have to click on Mr. or Mrs. or Miss. Right after that, your surname, your given name, okay, so right after the given name, middle name, gender, and of course your date of birth. Make sure it is correct. And then the next one is nationality. Okay, for me, I'm a Filipino, so I type on the Philippine country or nationality. For the next one is your travel information. You have to type your arrival card number. This is what we call the TM6 form. It's actually a small card that is attached to your passport. And then right after that, type on the date arrived in Thailand. Then the transportation by airplane, and of course the flight number of the airplane. Okay, right after that, make sure you follow the correct CAPTCHA password. Double check. Okay, make sure there is no wrong information. Alright. Okay, so I guess it's okay. I have to click on the word submit. Now this time we are now on the step 2. Click on non-im or non-immigrant, and then your stay permitted date. This is actually your visa last or expiration date of your visa, and then click on the apartment. Okay, so my present address here in Thailand, I'm actually living in the building name, or this is actually an apartment, Vorkit Court, address number. I'm going to write the building number, and then right after that, soy or road name, Soy Chatupon. Next one is state or province. Okay, since my address still belong in Bangkok, so I have to choose Bangkok, and then right after that, city I'm for, or it's actually the same with my district or Tambon, so it's still the same, Minburi, and then district still Minburi. And then right after that, I'm going to type on my mobile number. Okay, make sure the number is correct. Double check if possible. Okay, so since we're done with the mobile number, you can actually move to or type on your email address. Okay, right after your email address, make sure you have to double check again so that the information that is typed in are all correct. Okay, double check. Alright, and then right after double checking, click on the word submit. And this time we're now on the step 3. We can see the personal information, travel information, visa information, of course your passport number as well. So right after that, you are going to again double check, click the small square right there on the left side and then accept. Okay, you can see this is not an extension. Okay, this is the indication that your online report is already accepted. Okay, right after that, you can click on this print icon. Okay, and then you can see, oh, it's still pending. So you just have to wait maybe the next day or 2 to 3 days. So you have to check it. And now we're going to check the status of your application. Just simply click on passport information. This would be more easier. So you just have to type on your passport number. Right after the passport number, date of birth. Okay. And then the nationality and then click search. Alright, so as of this moment, pending our application, online application for 90 days still pending. So I just have to wait for maybe the next day or 2 or 3 more days. Ayan, so after 3 days, I check on my status of my online application again and click on the passport information, my passport number. Right after the passport number, click on date of birth and then your nationality. And click search icon. Oh yes, so my online application is now approved. As you can see, it's already approved last 8/7/2020. So click on the search icon and then you can see this notification and then click on the next appointment, print, for you to save or print this receipt of notifications, and then you are done with your 90-day online application. All right, thank you for watching.